Hi guys, are you trying to use ChatGPT but encountering an error message that says ChatGPT is at capacity right now? Don't worry, this issue is quite common and can be easily fixed. The reason you're seeing this error message is because ChatGPT has reached its capacity limit, which means that too many people are trying to use it at the same time. So you just have to go to the site of ChatGPT. And then the solution is to simply wait for a while until the traffic subsides and the capacity frees up again. In the meantime, you can try closing the ChatGPT tab or refreshing the page to see if that helps. And you should always remember that this error message is not your fault and is simply a result of popularity of ChatGPT. And then once the capacity frees up, you should be able to use ChatGPT without any issues. And one more thing, you can also use other devices and sign up or log into your account and to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. With just a little patience and understanding, you can easily fix the ChatGPT is at capacity right now error message. Thanks for watching, and I hope we help you.